All right, today we are going to make a cradle to make it a little easier to put a decal on your tumbler. So this is just the pool noodle I had left over from making the arms. So it's about 19 2/3. So if you do not have, one of these awesome flexible measuring tapes, then you'll actually have to divide in two. If you do have one of these, just go here, put them together, find your midpoint, hold on to it, and there is where we're going to draw our line. Doesn't have to be perfect. If it's slightly off, it just doesn't look quite as pretty. That's it. Take our Xacto knife and we're just going to cut like we're cutting a loaf of bread. There we go. We're going to put those together. Take an elastic band around the top. And around the bottom. And that's it. Now we can use that as a cradle when we were putting our decal on. That was a hard one. Also, if you happen to, you can also put a mark to show where your midpoints are, or you can actually get a tape measure. Say for example, the ones from IKEA that are free there that are paper ones, you could put those along here so you can really make sure you put the decal exactly where you want to put it. But this is the quick, easy version.